Good morning, Year 4. Here is your maths lesson for Monday, the 11th of January. I hope you all had a really good weekend and you are ready and raring to get back to your maths. Last week, you know that we started mental subtraction and we're carrying on with that with lesson 4 today. Our WALT today is to subtract tens from 4-digit numbers, but this time it's where the thousands change. Okay, let's get started. What number have I got for you there? What number have I made with those counters? Again, if you need to pause the video, that's absolutely fine. But if you've done that really speedily, we have 2 in the thousands, 0 in the hundreds, 2 in the tens, and 3 in the ones. And I can pop that comma in there to read the number 2023. Again, if you can think of a fact about this number, another fact, again, lots of you tell me it's bigger than, it's smaller than, you tell me the value of each digit, you tell me whether each digit is even or odd, things like that. Okay, with this number 2023, our first task today, we're going to be subtracting tens numbers and we are going to be subtracting 40. So I'm going to look in my tens column first of all. Do I have enough? No, and with lots of these questions, we never have enough, so we are going to have to exchange. But can I exchange from my hundreds column? No, because there aren't any in there. So what do I now need to do? Hopefully you're shouting at me and telling me we need to exchange. So we're going to start by exchanging one of the thousands, and if I cross out one of the thousands, I need to replace it with 10 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, hopefully you're still saying to me, that's great, but we still haven't got enough in the tens column. So I need to do the exact same thing again, and I need to cross out one of the hundreds, and I need to replace it with 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Hopefully now you can see that we now have enough tens to work out our question. So we still have 2023. I haven't decreased my number, I've just shown it in a different way. But now the question asks us to subtract 40 or 4 tens. So I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and then we're going to count how many we have left. So I've still got 3 ones. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. I've got 9 hundreds and I've got 1,000 left. So hopefully you can see that the answer there is 1,983. Again, even from looking at this one, if I get that green pen out that we know we're looking for patterns, my 3 has stayed the same. That one hasn't changed. But all the other digits in each place value has changed. So we're going to see if that carries on through the other questions. Next one I have for you then, what number is this? And again, hopefully you've worked out 4 in the thousands, 0 hundreds, 1 10, and 0 ones. And if I pop my comma in, we have 4,010. Again, you can think about a fact for this, tell me another if you'd like to. But we're going to now go on to subtracting 4,010, which is the same number here, using our number line. And we are going to be subtracting 60. Okay, so we know that when we know by now after the last few videos, that when we are subtracting, we pop our number at the end and we're going to be counting backwards. So I'm going to pop my 4,010 over here. And we need to be subtracting 60. So if I was to show you that on the number line, we can do 6 jumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and do jumps of 10 each time. we can look at the 10 here and do one jump of 10 first of all, and then do another jump of 50 because it's an easier number if we want to do that as well. So I'm going to start with doing that way first of all. So 4,010 take away 10 leaves us quite easily with that 4,000. And then because I've got 60 in total, my next jump is 50. Again, you can keep doing the tens if you find that easier, but 4,000 take away 50. And I'm going to use my green here, this 400 here, and this 5. And in my head, I'm going to be thinking, what is 400 take away 5? So 400, 399, 398, 397, 396, 395. So I can start my 395, and then I've still got my 0, which is the same in my ones column. So the answer to this question is 3,950. Again, we will see, or you hopefully we will be able to spot that that ones number is the exact same, but these three are different. And if I was just looking at my numbers here, it's the same as saying, what is 401 take away 6? And that ping there was just a reminder for me to turn the power onto my laptop, if you heard that. So 401 take away 6 would give me that 395. Let's see if that works for the next question. This time I have 6,025 and I'm subtracting 70. So again, we're going to start with our 6,025 over here. And we need to subtract 70 in total. So again, you can start by subtracting 20. And then we can subtract our 50. Because that makes 70 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can do those in jumps of 10 again. So if we do our 6,025, take away 20, I know we are just taking that 20 away in the tens column, so it's going to leave me with 6,005. Then I've got to take away our 50. So again, I'm going to imagine that 600 in my head, and I'm going to take away that 5. So 600, 599, 598, 597, 596, 595. So 595. And then my ones digit has not changed. It's always important to add that ones digit back. Again, a slightly different way. If you can see that we start with our 602, you can simply do 602, take away the 5 and the 2 together, which is take away the 7 tens. So you can do 602, 601, 600, 599, 598, 597, 596, 595 in the same way if that's easier. And again, we still get our answer of 5,955. And again, we can see that that 5 is the only number that is the same in the ones column. All of my other numbers are different. Okay, let's do one more together. 4,017. Going to pop my 4,017 on the end, and I need to take away 50. So again, I can start with my one jump, which will get me to my more simple number, to take away 10, and then I can take away 1, 2, 3, 4 to take away 40. Again, both make 50. Or if you can see that jump as 50 in itself, you can take away 50 straight away. So I'm going to be looking at 417 to start with. If we're doing the red way first of all, where I take my 10 away first, 4,017 take away 10. I'm simply taking away my 10 from that column, which would be 4,007. And then I'm looking at taking away the other 40. So I'm looking at 400, take away 4. So 400, 399, 398, 397, 396. So I'd have 396. And then I make sure to add that ones number back on, which is 7. Again, if you wanted to do that just with the blue method, you've got 401 to start with, and 401 take away 5. So 401, 400, 399, 398, 397, 396 would give you the same there. And again, really important to remember that ones digit we have to add on at the back or in the ones column, the same answer. Again, still noting that this ones number is the only one that's the same. Okay, bar model. Again, very similar question, just showing it in the bar model method. So this time we have 5,027. So I'm going to pop that into the hole at the top. And what's it made into? That's what the question is asking. So it's told us that it's made into that 80 first of all, but not what else yet. So if I use that pattern spotting method, I've got 502 that I can see here, and I'm taking away my 8 tens. So 502 take away 8. 502 in my head, 501, 500, 499, 499, 498, 497, 496, 495. So 495, first of all, and then I have to make sure I keep that 7. So it would be 4,957. Again, if you find it easier to do it on the number line, that's absolutely fine. This is just a different way of me showing you. Okay, can you have a go now, please? Here are some 4 questions just to have a go in your books and see if you get the right answer. If you pause the video here, I will again go through those answers with you afterwards. Good luck. Okay, well done at having a go at those. Let's work them out together then. So I have 3,000 take away 40. So again, I'm going to draw my number line because that's how I find it easiest. And I'm going to put 3,000 on one end, and I know I'm doing a jump of 40. Now, because there are no other numbers here, I'm going to do my straight jump of 40 straight away. And what I'm really asking myself is, what is 300 take away those 4 tens? So 300 take away 4, 300, 299, 298, 297, 296. And we have to make sure we add on that 0 in the ones column. So I can pop my comma in. So if you got the answer 2,960, please give yourselves a tick. Okay, next one then. We have 7,018. And I'm just going to get rid of this writing so I can still use this part of the board. Okay, 7,018. I'm going to pop over here. And we need to be taking away 60. Again, I'm just going to show you that because I've got a 10, I can take away a group of 10 first of all, and then I can take away my jump of 50. But again, you can do that jump of 60 if that's easier for you. So 7,018 would be 7,008. And then I use that pattern spotting, and I can see I've got 700 take away 5. So 700, 699, 698, 697, 696, 695. So I'd have 695, and I've still got my 8 in the ones column. So again, if you got the answer 6,958, you can give yourselves a tick on that one. Well done. Okay, just going to move my screen down for the last 2. I'm going to pop this one over here. My next question, something is equal to 2,028 take away 80. Hopefully, again, it doesn't faze you that it's just the other way around, but I'm still going to start with my 2,020 over here, and I need to take away 80. Now, because I'm starting with 20, I can do my jump of 20 first of all, and then I can do my jump of 60. And I know it has to be 60 because my 60 and my 20 together is equal to my 80 up here. So 2,020 take away 20 will be 2,000. And I should have put my commas in there. There's probably some of you at home saying, Miss Fowler, you've forgotten the commas. And then I'm going to take away the 60. So again, I'm spotting that it's 200 here, and I'm going to be taking away 6. So 200 in my head, 199, 198, 197, 196, 195, 194. So 194, and then making sure again that we add on that 0 that is in our ones column. So if you've got the answer 1940, give yourselves another tick. Excellent. Okay, last but not least, something, oh, and there should be a comma in that one. Something is equal to 9,011, take away 50. So I'm going to pop my number line on and pop 9,011 on the ends, and I'm going to be taking away 50. Now again, I'm going to start with 10 because there's a 1 in the ones column, and then because I need to take away 50 in total, I know that I need to do 40 on my other jump. Okay, 9,011 take away 10 will leave me 9,001, and then take away 40. Again, I'm visualizing it in my head. 900 without crossing it out, take away 40. So 900, 899, 898, 897, 896. So 896, and then we have to pop on that 1 that's in my ones column. So if you had the answer 8,961, please give yourselves a tick on that one. Excellent. Again, hopefully you're spotting those patterns with all of those answers. The ones digit is the same, but it's the other digits in the thousands, hundreds and tens column that has changed. Okay, Emmett today. Emmett thinks 3,034 take away 50 is 2,916 because 50 take away 34 is 16. Do you agree? Explain how you know. So just have a look at what Emmett's done. He has worked out his answer, and just like we've been doing where we've been explaining how we've been working it out as we've gone along, he says he knows that because he's worked out 50 take away 34. Can he do that? Can he just swap those numbers around? Hopefully you're telling me no, he can't. So how would we work out that question? Hopefully we're going to be popping it on a number line, and we're going to be writing our 3,034 on the end, and we need to be subtracting 50. So again, I can start with subtracting 30 because that's in my jump within my number, and 20 will be my other one because the total will be 50. So again, I can do 3,034 take away 30 will be 3,004. And then to take away my 20, when I go over that barrier, 300 take away 2. So 300 in my head, 299, 298. And again, if you wanted to do that just in one jump, if you can see that pattern, that's brilliant, but we need to pop our 4 on the end. So actually our answer is 2,984, and that's quite different to his answer. So you could use that method to explain how you know. Okay, your turn today then. So you'll do it, you're going to have 5 questions, just like the ones that you've already answered to have a go at, and then you have a Coco problem. Can you explain why she is incorrect? And she's actually also used a because in her reasoning as well. So maybe you could write down why and really explain why she is wrong. Your Go Deeper activity for today then is a missing digits. So it's asking you, first of all, just like it did last week, to solve them in several ways, if you can, and then to solve all the calculations together using the digit once. Again, it's asking you to take away a tens digit, think about the pattern with the ones that we've already spoken about, do the ones that you can do first, and have a go at the others. Again, if you want to pause the video here, you can go and have a go at those. I wish you lots of luck, and I can't wait to see your videos later. And then if you come back at the end, we can see where you are on the learning pit. Off you go. Okay, excellent. Well done for having a go at that. Again, can't wait to see your photos. Here is our learning line again today, our learning pit. How do you feel today? How have you found our method today? Has it been easier? Has it been harder? where do you think you are? And again, if you can jot that on your work when you send us the photos, it really helps us to see how well you found it. Well done again today, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks very much. Bye.